which I think is awesome.
Yep. Hey, Jen, Budgie, what you doing? We're going up there. No, oh boy. Oh boy. And there's Daddy. We're Hey, Jen, turn around. I'll feed you. Well, you got up there. What do you do now, Jen? I think Jen doesn't know where to go from here.
No? I get Daddy flying practice.
And Jen, you made a circle! You made a full circle! That's the first time I haven't had to rescue you from the ceiling fan or the lights. Congratulations! You made a full circle. That's good. Jen's learning control flight.
Good, Daddy. See, those flying lessons are good. Daddy knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Apparently.
That's wonderful, Jen. Usually when Jen takes off like that, I have to get Jen down from either the ceiling fan or the light string. Jen's never done a full circle before.
Oh, good, Jen. Extra love and
And I didn't catch the circle because Jen was moving too quickly, but I caught the takeoff and landing.
Good, Jen. Good, Jen. What a pretty Budgie.
Yeah.
Good baby.
Oh, that was just wonderful, Jen.
Good, Jen.
Okay, well, enough paparazzi. We're going to leave you to eat or hang out or whatever, and I'm going to go get dinner for us. Now, I don't know what CD's doing over there.
Everything?
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes total sense.
Yes.
Yeah. Bye-bye, guys.